A Taekook age gap love story tilde. Jimin was in 10th standard and his best friend, Kim Taehyung, visited their house almost every evening. The two were always together, laughing, doing homework, teasing each other. But there was one more person who quietly watched them from behind the sofa. Jimin's little brother, Jeon Jungkook, a first standard boy with bunny cheeks and big brown eyes. Taehyung, hey, little one, why are you hiding again? Jungkook, shyly, you're so cool. Hyun, Taehyung, smiling cool? Then you'll have to be my friend. Okay? Jungkook, excitedly, promise. From that day, Taehyung became Jungkook's favorite person. Whenever Taehyung came home, Jungkook followed him around, showing his drawings, holding his sleeve, or asking endless questions just to make him stay longer. Namjoon, Jin, and Yoongi, Jimin's other friends, would tease Taehyung constantly. Jin, looks like Cookie's your biggest fan. Tai, Yoongi, he even ignores Jimin for you. Taehyung, laughs, he's just a cute kid. That's all. But to Jungkook, it was more than that. He didn't know what love meant. He just knew his world felt brighter whenever Taehyung smiled at him. Years passed. Taehyung went to college, and Jimin followed soon after. Jungkook was left behind, standing at the window, watching Taehyung wave goodbye. The house felt quieter without him. Jungkook, to himself, why does it hurt when he leaves? He grew older, but that feeling never left. In high school, he still thought of Taehyung, wondering if he ate well, if he remembered the little boy who always followed him around. One winter, Taehyung returned home during vacation. He rang the doorbell, and Jungkook opened the door, taller now, voice deeper, eyes still soft. Taehyung, smiling warmly, Cookie, you've grown so much. Jungkook, smiling shyly, I was just waiting to catch up to you. Hyun, Taehyung, still shy. Huh? Jungkook, not with you. They talked for hours, just like old times. Except now, Jungkook's heart raced in a way he couldn't hide. Jungkook, Hyun, do you still see me as a kid? Taehyung, gently, you'll always be special to me. Cookie, Jungkook, softly, then let me stay special. But in a different way. Taehyung froze. The warmth in Jungkook's voice wasn't childlike anymore. Time moved on. Taehyung started working in Seoul. Jungkook joined university there too. They met again through Jimin, who had no idea how long Jungkook's heart had waited. One evening, they bumped into each other outside a coffee shop. Taehyung, Cookie, you study here too? Jungkook, grinning, or maybe I just followed my favorite Hyun. Taehyung, laughs softly, still the same talkative boy. Jungkook, no, Hyun, I grew up, but my heart didn't change. The words hung in the air, quiet, honest, trembling. Taehyung looked into his eyes and finally saw what he had missed for years. Love, pure and patient. Taehyung whispers, you really never forgot me, did you? Jungkook shakes his head. How could I forget the first person I ever loved? Taehyung's heart ached, realizing that the boy who once held his sleeve now held his heart. He smiled softly, reaching out his hand. Taehyung, then maybe it's my turn to catch up.